house, Chris's party, the second set. It's about 20 minutes of
Tape off
tape
that
left.
second set also.
Left on the end of this tape. That's
The only good one in
master
the
for
band on
party.
that day was me.
It's too tall for me.
I was fine at Chris's party.
Mike, you can take it off.
Just passable. Maybe replaced.
I don't know if it's the point where you can run.
New Singer's Island. Mike, look at Billy. I guess we need a new singer. Who'll replace him? I think I will. Better watch out, Caruso. There's a new singer on the horizon.
Grony man.
Yeah,
He does nothing.
Horizon. Greg. G-R-E.
As in
There's
your,
another.
as in your buddy.
All those little boxes.
I said, why? You can't cancel on
Little
Rehearsal. We have a gig." He goes, no. Greg will be here. I said, Greg,
Little boxes,
Greg,
little
he's
toy
working. I said, oh, good,
things.
because we like
Time
him.
to grow up, Billy.
And he said,
Mike with his cliffhanger outfit on.
push
got
you
his-
off a fucking cliff.
He's got his little rope tackle on the side there.
Rope tackle.
Got his spiked boots.
Yeah.
Near shades.
He's got his shades. He's all ready. Oh, camera lens cracked. Oh, I got smacked. I'm getting beat up. He beats me up now. It's time for everybody to grow up. Get out of your little rock and roll playland. Time to grow up. You big little boys. When are you gonna grow up now? When are you gonna grow up? Oh, you little boys. Playing your little rock and roll music till you're bored. Time to get out quick. It's time to relax. Get your life together and get an axe. Chop up everybody that you know, 'cause
I didn't have time to stop.
time will come and
No
go.
change of 100?
A picture of little you.
Oh, no hundreds. This is
A
some
thing
mean
to
times.
say or two. Waiting
Did you
to
pay
kill
last
all the
week?
members
Oh,
in
yeah.
my band. It's time to kill the drummer first, because I hate the way he bangs around with his fist. Look at him over there. Oops, he's cut up and about a chair. That's the end of the drummer first. Let's slide over to the guitar player. Boy, what a lousy boy. Kick him in the ass. Shove a piece of glass up his nose. That's how the guitar player goes. Last but not least, it's a singer, I think. He's a wise ass. Let's get a meat shredder and put him through a blender. Say goodbye to sing list. Well, let's take a little boy who plays a bass toy. Look, see him look at the camera. Oops, I didn't see that bullet flying at me. There goes the good bass guitar player. You can really.
That was a beautiful song, Kenny.
Nice.
Oops, there goes the guitar.
That was nice. Save for every showman. That's what it's all about. It's not weird. You can get. Look at that. That's great, man. You can get like the greatest picture. Billy, I gotta see this. This is gonna be great.
Yeah, I'll make you guys copies. Maybe it'll be in our next video.
Here's a tour of Island Sound. A wonderful place. The boys and girls like you and me. Hey, kiddies. So, rough trip. Here's the phone where Mike calls. Here's Mike. He's all ready. I just put it right here. There's the fish. Clean the tank. Help me clean my house, please. There's some really good pictures in here. Dun, 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 dun.
Uh-oh, top of the stairs.
Dun, dun,
No!
dun, 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 dun. Can't go fast on this, I forgot. Let's see if we can see Greg in the mirror. Look for Greg in the mirror. Where's Greg? Where's Greg? I don't know where he is. Here's Greg right here. Here we go. Found Greg. Dun, 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 dun.
Who's on this?
Ew! Ew! Dun 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 dun. Oh my God! Oh! I tried to run into like the car hit me. We're gonna run like this.
You hit me in the head. No!
I'm sorry, I can't focus. It's too close to the car.
Nice, okay.